Welcome. Today I will have a look at two flaws. One of them is just a conspiracy that I made a video about last week. And then I think I have found Level Earth Observer's secret brother in US. Last week I made a video about just a conspiracy that thought he had a magical proof. He thought he had found his own black swan. But he didn't succeed. Or he did succeed to prove that we live on a globe. And then I'm so happy. I think I found Level Earth Observer's secret brother in the US. That will come in the end of this video. Let's start this dumpster fire.
Hello, let's review a real observation from 7 miles across the ocean. There should be 10.5 feet of curvature drop. This boat at the forefront here is 3 miles from my perspective, and you can see the horizon up and beyond the boat, and the RV and that shoreline in the background is actually 7 miles away. You can see the horizon up above. Again, that boat is 3 miles away, and that.
But how do we know that it's 3 miles away? I have looked online on marine traffic and other sites, and I can't find this vessel in a database. But I will come back to this statement later on in the video.
RV in that shoreline is 7 miles away. There should be 10 feet of curvature drop. Look at the stump on the right side. I'll zoom in here. That's a large fallen tree. It's a stump. And let me show you this.
There it is. That's the Oxnard, the Mandalay generation, power generation. I'm just filming directly to the right of that, in that neighborhood. This large piece of driftwood right here is visible in the shot. All of the rocks and the driftwood below it are visible.
So this is what he's pointing at. Let's compare. According to him, these pieces of wood are the same as those. I think it's not, but it's very hard to tell. If you look at the shape, I don't think it's the same, but the image quality is so poor, so it's hard to tell. Let's go back to the boat he showed in the beginning. The distance to it, he don't know, but as he told, it was on the way out from the harbor where the boy from the last video I made about him is, so we know roughly the location. Observer height of 6 feet, we would have the horizon over 3 miles away with standard refraction. Medium refraction 3.8, or with observer height of 8 feet also 3.8. Let's have a look on a short video from him with the title Sunrise, watch the sun grow in apparent size, only possible if the sun is a local light source. Oh dear.
Oh, you can't figure out what that's doing, I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna let this computer roll and get the hell out the way.
This video proved was taken by someone who can't handle a camera and don't know the more basic things about using a camera. But here is how it looks when a professional uses a camera. As you see here, the sun doesn't change size. Yes, the conspiracy haven't filmed that part himself, so I had a look for who is the genius behind this video, and I found him. And I think I found Leo's Levelers of Servers American brother.
Good morning, YouTube. It's another perfect day in God's country, and I ain't lying. Boy, I'll tell you what, lucky hitting home runs lately. Most people probably ain't paying attention, but nothing but pure truth the last couple of days on the old Lucky Haskins channel, folks. First of all, a couple of days ago, I debunked outer space. Again, I'll remind you, I debunked outer space 8 years ago. Of course we know outer space is fake. Unequivocally, we know, scientifically, empirically proven, we know that space is fake, that there is no outer space, it's fabricated, and that nobody is going there. That's how, scientifically speaking, we know that space travel is 100% fabricated. Now, interestingly enough, we all know there's been, there is no proof whatsoever of the globe Earth, but we still are subject to this continuous bombardment of nonsensical pseudoscience from the globe Earth side as they desperately cling to their socially engineered agenda-based propaganda, desperately hanging on to their indoctrinated worldview, most of them at this point knowing that they're full of shit, but simply cannot let go of the worldview that they are so heavily invested into.
Oh dear, what a word salad. That must be Levelers of Servers' secret brother in the US. I will have a closer look on his channel, and perhaps I come back to this fool.
Destroy.
So, it's quite obvious. Yes to Conspiracy loves to prove the globe, because he's not even close to proving his fantasies about a flat Earth. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, become a member, subscribe, or just come back next time I'm showing a video. Hope all having a nice day. See you soon. Bye.